you already own a house or want to buy one. Now, to buy this house, you're taking a loan of 50 lakh rupees and it's gonna last a while. In fact, after 20 years, you will end up paying 1.04 crores. That's double of the loan amount. It's actually an interest zindagi. But if you did the right things, your loan could stop at year 11 and you would end up paying 80 lakhs. That's a saving of 24 lakh rupees.
Sir, what? Sir.
We are shooting. What are you doing here?
नहीं, sir. Sir, I have a home loan and मेरे पास time नहीं है. I'm leaving day after tomorrow.
Where are you going?
I'll sit. Honeymoon, sir.
What honeymoon? Where are you?
Sir, 60 days का honeymoon है, sir. Please help me save money. 24 lakhs की बात है,
60
sir.
days का honeymoon is not allowed.
Help me
Who
save
approved
20
this shit?
Ma'am.
Oh. If I help you save 24 lakhs, you'll cancel this nonsense?
I'll not cancel. कम कर देता हूँ दिन 10 days.
Done. 10 days.
Deal.
So I'm gonna give you 4 ways to actually achieve this. Let's start with number 1. To get this first trick, you need to know this table called the loan amortization table. Now imagine you have a loan amount of
50 lakhs.
and the interest, what's the interest you're paying?
8.5.
And this is 20 years, right? EMI comes to 43,391 a month. If you add up that EMI for 240 months, it comes to around 1 crore 4 lakhs. Now here's where it gets interesting. Let's suppose you've been paying for 10 years. Now 10 years is about 120 EMIs. You'd think by now you've almost cleared your loan, right? But not really. You've only paid off around 15 lakhs of the actual amount you borrowed. The rest has gone in interest, means it's gone to the bank. So basically, for the first half of your loan, you're mostly paying the bank. You're not paying to own your home as much, which is payment towards the principal of your loan.
Sir, अब तो ले लिया मतलब what should I do?
Yeah, good point. But you understand how this works now, right? I gave you a bonus abhi 3 months ago.
हाँ.
You spent it, right?
No. अरे invest it. FG.
Okay, FD. So you have cash, right?
Yes.
Can you get me Jenga blocks? I'll
block?
show you something. So there is a new type of account you can open. It's called an offset loan account. So let's suppose you have your principal. This represents 50 lakh rupees.
25.
Yeah, let's not. It represents 50 lakh.
50. Okay.
On top of this, you have bank interest. Okay. Now, if you have basically, if your loan is larger, what will happen to the interest?
बढ़ जाएगा वो भी.
बढ़ जाएगा, right? So
Correct.
if you remove this also removed. Correct? Understood?
Yes.
Now, if you have an account like a offset loan account, which is a separate account,
Where is this account?
you can open it with that bank. Ask them, do you have an offset loan account? And वो offset loan account खोल देंगे. So you open that account and you deposit that 5 lakh rupees that he got for the good work he's done here. And you deposit it here as cash. Now, bank will not charge interest on this amount usually.
Because it's in that offshore account.
Offshore नहीं, offset account.
Offset account.
इतना rich नहीं हो offshore account. So what happens is, because this is being counted here, they reduce this from the principal. This for illustration purposes. Yes.
Oh.
So this results in savings of the EMI.
How much did I save?
Let's see. Now, considering the same 50 lakhs home loan with a normal loan, you pay interest on the full amount, around 35,000 for the first month. But with an offset loan, you can park say 5 lakh rupees in a linked account for just 2 years, and the bank charges interest only on 45 lakhs. So basically, your loan amount is the same, but your interest is calculated on a smaller principal. So this saves you 93,000 in total and helps you close the loan roughly 10 EMIs earlier. Now, of course, this is just one example. Actual savings depend on how much you really park, for how long, the interest rates, and it can vary obviously from bank to bank.
24 lakhs की बात हुई थी. This is just 93,000, sir.
Boond se hi, you will save 24. But did you know this?
I did not know this, but this is not
Appreciation for this point, please.
This is very small.
That's a very bad clap. This is very embarrassing. Okay, so let's move to option number 2.
Sir, pass me. Achha, okay. 24 lakhs not saved. Reminder, sir, 60 days honeymoon. Sorry, 10 days.
10 days. ठीक है. What you can do is you can transfer this loan to a different bank or ask your existing bank to reduce the rates.
While my papa don't own the bank, sir. I can't ask.
निकलो बाहर निकालो इसको बाहर निकालो
डायरेक्टर साहब रिलैक्स
यार रिलैक्स यार यहाँ पे शॉर्टकट का हुआ ट्रेड बने लोग आलतू फालतू बातें कर रहे हैं
Should I show you an example?
Will that save money?
Step 1. You have all your basic loan details here. 50 lakh loan, 20 years.
8.5. Yes, sir. We know. आगे बढ़े.
Current loan, let's suppose 10 years have gone by and you've noticed that the rates have fallen for whatever reason.
Interest rate, na?
Interest rates.
Okay, okay.
Interest rates, and now your outstanding balance is 34 lakhs, actually 35 lakhs. 10 years are left. Current EMI is the same, 43,000.
Thank
so when you refinance, there are certain costs. Okay, so let's see what happens. There's a processing fee of 1%. There is, which is 34,000. There's legal, yeah.
Oh, that's 1%.
Legal charges, valuation charges. The total refinancing cost is 55,000 almost.
The point was to save money, but okay.
The new interest rate is 7.5%, which is lesser than our original. Now over here, you will see that the answer is, if you subtract all this and see the savings, total interest, new interest, you save about 1.66 lakh rupees. This is refinancing with the same lender. If you move to a new lender and they offer you a lower rate of,
If they offer me a lower rate.
this is if rates have fallen from when you took the loan.
Fair. Okay.
And in a 20-year loan period, this scenario is likely to happen. Kabhi na kabhi hoga.
Okay.
So the new rate is,
7%.
and then you have all these details, 1%, you charge, etc. So we have the new interest and the old interest. You subtract it and you have saved.
Almost 3 lakhs. Oh.
So what are the two options where you can actually use this refinancing wala stuff?
Fixed interest rate में loan लेना.
Correct. So if you have a fixed interest rate and rates fall, you can refinance at the lower interest rate. But there's a second way. If you actually improve your credit score, and when you initially took your loan, your credit score was bad, and then it improves, you can refinance it because now you'll get a better interest rate.
I did everything. मैंने वो credit score वाला video तो हमने ही बात की थी. मैं सीख गया था तब.
Yes.
अभी भी 24 minus 3 lakhs is 21 lakhs remaining.
Yes.
वो बताइए ना सर, बड़ा अमाउंट कहाँ बच रहा है? I mean 3 lakhs is also okay. तो give me the red वाला marker please.
I don't like you doing this.
I love you too.
I'm your team.
This is not working anyway. I have a floating interest rate वाला फंडा, तो fixed rate is not working for me anyway. So 3 lakh.
So this doesn't count.
क्या?
ठीक है, it's okay. I always have something interesting to show you, which is now point number 3. Here is where we save the big bucks, 24 lakh rupees.
1 point only, okay?
Yeah.
This is to what's point number 4?
I'll tell you. So now look very carefully. Remember we saw this together?
हाँ.
All I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna add 2 new columns. The first column is called 1 extra EMI paid. This means you pay 1 extra EMI per year. Out of the 12 months, in the 6th month, you pay 1 extra EMI.
That will hardly make any difference now.
Hear me out. So I'll change this. Can you change it to 1?
This is extra EMI, na?
Yeah.
Done.
Click enter.
Enter.
And over here, you'll see every 6 months, this 43,000 will be added.
Okay.
Here's the beauty. This one change of 1 extra EMI saves you almost 10 lakh rupees, not almost, more than 10 lakh rupees.
Oh.
And your entire loan is completed within 16 years and 6 months. So you save time also.
10 lakh rupees saved and 4 years also saved.
Correct. Little
With
less
just
than 4 years.
one extra EMI.
That's doable, right?
Are you sure this is correct?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
I'll tell you now a second technique. You see this? This is a step up. EMI में something extra. Let's suppose it's how much percent? 10%?
5 कर लो, 10 तो मत करो.
Okay, chalo, 5%. 5% is not a lot.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna add this 5% and now
What?
that's happening and you will notice that you will save a lot of money over here. How much money did you save? I can't tell you. I have to tell you something else.
अरे नहीं है, you have to tell me, no.
This is part
अरे,
of
we are
calculation.
there.
This is part of, you want 24 lakhs, right?
24 lakhs. एकदम तैयार हूँ मैं.
Hear me out. This is the ladder that
Success.
of success. And we all have these basic things to keep us in autopilot mode. Autopilot is you not thinking about life. So give me something. 12 pass,
College. Job.
job.
शादी.
Okay, marriage,
बच्चे.
kids,
घर.
कार.
नहीं, कार. हाँ, घर.
ghar.
I'll just add one more ladder, which is 1 crore at 40.
You know, this ladder is pretty much unlimited. The acquisition of wealth and material is the distance between you and unhappiness. You will always be unhappy because you will have the compulsion to earn more, and this actually never really ends.
Compulsion माने?
Compulsion mane, people watching this YouTube video, you sitting with me, all earn a decent amount. And if you don't, in some time you will. The end game is simple. You will end up with good money when you're older. For sure. It will eventually happen. But what if you gave away all of your life because of compulsions like this? When I told you to do a 5% step up, or I told you to pay one extra EMI, and you said, yaar, ye to ho nahi sakta hai.
हाँ.
In that case, the EMI maybe is too expensive. So you need to think, if you're going up this ladder forever and you lose 20 years of your life, a better way to reclaim your life is to do these two things, pay off that loan as soon as possible so you can actually do stuff. Real wealth, like actual money, can never buy. Answering your question,
ये तो सही बात है सर. ठीक है सर.
if you can do an annual step up of 5% and you can pay one extra EMI every single year, how much money do you save? 24 lakh rupees. But you are not paying this to reduce your interest. You're paying so this loan can go away faster
जल्दी.
and you can reclaim your life. So you better enjoy that first honeymoon. Hopefully just one
24 is okay. थोड़ा एडजस्ट कर लेते. 15 दिन 20 दिन में कर ले.
फोन लगाओ
किसको?
HR को to cancel your leave. 10 days, right? Now I've told you.